What's up mga ka-trackers? Welcome to Signtrack Philippines and this is Max! So nandito tayo ngayon sa airport para pumunta ng Hanoi, Vietnam to attend Signtrack New Energy Partners Conference 2026. Kaya tara, samahan niyo kami sa aming biyahe. Sa conference na ito, pinahagi ng Signtrack ang kanilang latest developments sa new energy vehicles, intelligent technologies at ecosystem solutions. Lahat ng ito ay bahagi ng kanilang commitment na magbigay ng mas advanced, reliable, at future-ready transportation solutions. Hello guys! Finally, nandito na tayo sa Airport Hanoi and pupunta na tayo para mag-check-in sa hotel. Magpe-prepare lang tayo for tomorrow's Signtrack Gala Dinner event. So we're here at our hotel. Pahinga lang, tapos magdi-dinner naman na kami. What's up, mga ka-trackers? Punta na tayo sa dinner tonight. May gala dinner tayo. What's up mga ka-trackers? Nandito tayo sa registration area for the Signtrack Gala Dinner tonight. Signtrack Gala. Grabe, super solid ng night one natin dito sa Signtrack New Energy Partners Conference 2026. Ang daming nag-perform to kick off the night. And standard-wise, napakasaya talaga ng vibe. Pero higit sa lahat, we met so many amazing people and built strong connections with delegates from different countries. Sobrang inspiring na makita ang global community natin na magkakasama and talagang nag-enjoy ako ng sobra tonight. And this is just the beginning of more exciting things to come, kaya stay tuned mga ka-trackers!